Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to another unboxing video. This time I'm going to be unboxing the 41mm Apple Watch Series 7. The first box in this package has the adjustable sport band with two different attachments. For this demo I will be using the large band. The second box features the Apple Watch itself and the USB-C charger. So far, the only critique I have is that Apple did not include a USB-C adapter in this, so it does have to be purchased separately. Now it's time to install the magnetic sport band and get started with the setup. So at first, I installed the wristband the wrong way. After I corrected that, the watch booted up. Time to pair the watch with my iPhone XR. But first, an iOS update. The setup didn't take that long, and just like that, we are rolling. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to the channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button. There will be many more videos like this. I appreciate every single one of you for viewing this video. Feel free to give it a like, give it a share, comment on it, tell me what you think, what you want to see for future videos, and I will make it happen. And as always, this is Milton Washington Tech 1999, signing off.